Most of us love mushrooms, but did you know some fungi can actually munch on plastic like it's a snack? Let's find out how nature heals itself. Meet the mushroom that don't just grow on waste, they devour it, including plastic. Pestalotiopsis microspora, found in the Amazon, can break down plastic even without oxygen, perfect for landfills. Could fungi be the future of plastic waste management? Sounds great, but is it fast or efficient? We'll find out, so hang on. These fungi can munch on anything from kitchen sponges to shoes, carpets to even parts of your sofa. They're not alone, they have company. Aspergillus tuberculosis digests plastics in weeks, and Pleurotus austriatus grows on diapers and pet bottles. They produce special enzymes that cut plastic into smaller pieces, making digestion possible. But the truth, it's slow, doesn't work on all plastics, and isn't complete. Not a silver bullet yet. While science catches up, let's do our bit by cutting down plastic, because fungi alone can't clean up our mess. For more science-packed insights, like, share, and subscribe to Inspired Ideas.